I'm here to introduce the new TS4004 Jobsite table saw by General International. This saw incorporates within itself the storage of all the essential tools, including the blade guard and riving knife. Conveniently located in the front of the saw is the on-off switch, the blade height adjustment, and angle of the blade. This saw will cut a 3¼ inch piece of wood at 90 degrees. It also has an expanding table that will rip a piece of wood at 30 inches. In a minute, we will demonstrate how to rip a piece of wood.